Congratulations on making it to lesson 10 in your level 1 theory time book. Let's take a look at lesson 10. Turn in your book to page 28 and I'm going to share my screen so we can look at it together. So on lesson 10, we're learning about what is a measure. Well, a measure is kind of like a box. And so you want to think about your music as going to be divided into sections. And so at the top of the screen, let me get my flashlight here. This is a measure, just simply a box. So if we take a long line of music, look down here below where it says bonus hint. We see this staff all the way across the page. When we draw vertical lines, the lines up and down, we divide our music into measures. Let's read up here. Music is divided into measures by bar lines. The vertical lines going up and down, those are called bar lines. It says a double bar line is found at the end of a piece. So throughout your music, you'll see a single line over and over and over again, making all of these boxes or measures. Then at the very end of your song, you'll see a double bar line. There will be a thin line and then a thick line. So all they want you to do for number one is just simply trace these lines. You'll take a pencil, hopefully not a pen, and you'll just simply trace the bar lines. So see, I'm just tracing the bar lines. Then at the end, you'll have a thin line, and then you'll have a thick line to make your double bar line. That's super easy. It's not hard. So question number 2 says divide the staff below into 4 equal measures. And it says draw a double bar line at the end. Hint, each bar line should touch line 5 and 1. So they don't want you to draw this big bar line randomly. They want you to start at the top and end at the bottom. Here's something that I like to do. I draw my first one in the middle, then I draw one at each end, and then I divide each of those sections kind of in the middle. So now if you count, let me get my flashlight. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 bar lines. Now I have 4 measures, excuse me. I'm going to make my last one thicker and then put a skinny one next to it, and there I have my double bar line at the end. Okay, now this is bonus hint. Let's read what that says. Draw the bar line at the beginning and the double bar line at the end of the staff first. They did it a little bit different than me. That doesn't matter, but what you want to do is make sure they're about equal. That's really kind of what they're looking for. Question number 3 says the staff below is divided into measures. Remember, this measure is kind of like this box. From one bar line to the next bar line is a measure. So there's measure 1, there's measure 2, there's measure 3, and there's measure 4. It says below each quarter note or quarter rest, write a 1. Super easy. This isn't hard. They just want you to go 1, 1, 1, 1. So there should be 4 ones underneath each measure. They're showing you that there are 4 beats in each measure. A quarter note gets a beat and a quarter rest gets a beat. Very easy, simple. Later, we'll count to 4. We'll say 1, 2, 3, 4 instead of 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and it says to write the 1 directly underneath the note header rest. Then it says clap and count the rhythm aloud. What they want you to do is 1, 1, 1, and then 1. When there's a rest, they don't want you to actually clap. So I actually open my hands and make a little pulse. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So I want to feel that rest just like I feel the clap of the beat. Then C says pick a note on the piano, any note that you want, and you'll do the same thing. Any note. I'm going to do middle C. And what I'm going to do, remember, I'm not going to play on the rest. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. You just got to know where you are. If you get lost, then you won't know where you are. That's why later it will be better to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll always know where you are because 1 will always be the first thing in the measure. Okay, so I'm going to stop this video so it's not too long. That helps you with page 28 of your lesson 10 in your theory book 1. You should be able to do this very easy. Make sure you understand it. Have fun with your theory.